Hey guys, Mike on Internet Pro. Thanks so much for joining me here on this new video, PLS Power Lead System video. First let's get into it. Let's see today's leads, 340 leads. A lot of leads here, guys. Got looks like leads are coming in here like every 5 to 10 minutes. There's a new lead. Jump over here, PayPal Cash. Got a new payment coming in into PayPal. I was focused on this right here, guys. This is my PLS business. I'm building this up. This is a reoccurring residual income business for me. And as you can see, the promotion has been going really well. Today alone, I had 13 people sign up. 13 times 20 is about 260 bucks made today. And that's, day's not over. It will continue to come in this way, and it will continue to just, flourish and build up in this way. So, but I'm going to show you. I just put together a 2 hour long video, combination two videos, and they put together a PDF to show you exactly how I'm doing this, how I'm driving these leads in here. So you definitely want to get your hands on that. I'll be giving that away to whoever joins up to the gold level. That's a 7 day trial. You get to come into the have a look around to the PLS system. That's the Power Lead system. Look around, check everything out. But I help you get started. I help you set up your account. Help you, it's kind of like over the shoulder videos. You just watch me set up everything, get you set up, and immediately start driving leads. I have it to where basically you'll have leads coming in less than 24 hours. Okay, so everyone who joins me on this Empower Lead system gets the brand new training out, and every one of these guys have received that training. Send that training out to every single person. So definitely want to get in this. This is a team thing, guys. A team effort, helping you grow your downlines as I grow my own, as well as helping my upline who is receiving. I think it's 5 and 1, so every fifth person I put in, they actually go up. So it's like 5 and 1, or I should say five, and then the sixth person goes up. So yeah, guys, it is a team. Team economics. It really does work. It's a powerful business model. I believe Power Lead System's been around for like a decade or so, or maybe even a little bit longer, and it's been working for a really very long time. And before I got into it, and I decided to jump into it because I just saw the benefits and the possibility of it. So showing you just not to brag or boast, and I know these results are not typical, but you can definitely get a piece of the pie. There's a lot of leads, a lot of people out there who are looking for something like this. So I definitely don't have a monopoly on this or anything like that. When you put yourself out there the way I show you, you have tons of people that will be coming into your business. And I can't make guarantees or promises based on your work ethics and all those kind of legal things I have to say. But if those legal things weren't there, I would say 100% you're going to get leads, you're going to get members, you're going to get sales. Anyway, guys, I'll check you out later. It's Mike on that Pro. See you next video. I'm out.